You guys want to film with me? Yeah? That's what's going on. Oh my god. You guys are psycho. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get these beach waves. I get so many people asking me how I get them and what I do to my hair. So I wanted to share with you guys a little tutorial today on how I do get them. So if you're interested in seeing how I get my beach waves, keep on watching. Okay, the first thing I will do to start my hair off is I will use a hairbrush and just brush through my hair so I have no knots at all. My hair gets tangled so easily. So I'll just make sure there's no tangles before I start curling it. And then I will go in with my curling wand. I just use the Conair curling wand. And what I will do is just start taking chunks of hair. I usually do 3 chunks of hair on each side of my head. And I will just wrap the curling wand around and I will do this all over my head. And then I will just grab a section from the top half just to give it some volume, and I will just curl a few pieces closer to my head.
Everything that happens now is...
So again, I'm just doing a few pieces closer to the top of my head on this side as well. Okay, so now that I have my hair curled, what I will do first is kind of just go through with a brush and loosen up the curls so they're not so perfect. Yeah, I'll just completely brush through them all, and I actually find this gives it a more beachy look. And then what I will do is go in with the Ouai wave spray, which is so amazing and it smells so good. So then what I do is just spray this throughout my hair. And I will actually spray some in my hands as well and rub my hands together and then kind of just scrunch through my hair. And I find this really helps hold the wave throughout the day and it just gives it a more effortless look. And it's that simple. It literally takes no time at all and super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as make sure to subscribe down below so you guys can see my future uploads, and I will see you all later. Bye!